Beta is an aerospace company focused on electric propulsion and electric aircraft. People often ask us, why do you fly at Beta? We offer flight training to all of our employees.
Part of our culture is centered around flight training and aviation. We have 19 certified flight instructors currently on staff. It helps us speak a common language, helps us come together as a team.
But we also fly to connect employees to the mission of developing this revolutionary aircraft.
We need flight test engineers, subject matter experts that are in tune to the flow of aviation while we're doing these test flights. And what better way to make them in tune with the flow than to put them in the cockpit as pilots? When everybody in the flight test team knows how to fly, it just goes way safer and way smoother. We've got 240 people in flight school. They're all engineering the future of aviation. They're connected to the mission because they can see themselves flying the plane in the future.
You wouldn't design a bicycle if you didn't know how to ride a bicycle.
You want people that can see themselves using the product they're developing.
I do a much better job designing airplane motors now that I know how to fly.
It just never even crossed my mind that it was possible for me to fly a plane.
But now here as a Beta team member, you get to become an aviator. You get to learn to fly.
When you start flying and you have this mastery of a really coveted skill, you generate this extreme passion, and then that passion leads to camaraderie amongst the team.
It's core to our culture in that it's something that we can all rally around, and it's something that we can all appreciate. And part of what we're doing here is trying to make that accessible to more people.
When people learn to take command of a ship, command of an airplane, they gain this confidence that puts them into I can deal with this stress right now, and I can voice my technologically founded objective opinion on this without getting steamrolled by a persuasive person. One more super obvious thing about training a bunch of pilots here, it's for efficiency. We're at an airport, we deploy recharging stations at airport, most of our customers are at airports. We don't have to pay for any pilots, no flight departments, it's simple efficiency. That's why business aviation exists, and we get a bunch of pilots that can leverage it. The reason we fly at Beta is for passion, it's for efficiency, it's for intimacy with the product, and a massive connection to the mission we're trying to achieve.
We fly at Beta because we want to make the world a better place, and not only we want to make it a better place, it's gonna be a better place once our aircrafts are out there flying people and lungs and cargo.